Satellites is a software company with a very unique set of data. We operate in the area of geospatial analytics. The data is generated by the power of the sun shining its light on the Earth's surface or a body of water. What reflects back is the DNA of the target. We're using the light reflectance signature, found only in the infrared bands which the naked eye cannot see. In this example, typically the reflective signature bounces back to a sensor that's on board of a satellite, but it could also be on board of a drone, a plane, a fixed camera, or even a stratospheric balloon. This is a very unique area of science. Satellites sets itself aside from the rest in that not only can we identify those spectral signatures with our AI-driven software, but we can also quantify them in many cases. Once the data is gone through the software process, it is then hosted on the Amazon cloud. Clients log on with a two-factor authentication and they're presented with the interface you see before you. Left-hand side of the screen, there's a menu that pulls out to give you some options. Tuck it away to maximize the geography of the screen. Click on this case, temperature analysis. So typically for EPA or other regulatory bodies for 316A and B compliance, this is a critical element, trying to determine accurately the surface temperature of water, land, either in Fahrenheit or Celsius. We know our algorithm is accurate to plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. What you're looking at here is the body of water that has been processed through the Satellites engine. We can zoom in to get a better view and a more detailed view if you wish. Of course, we examine every pixel every time. On the right-hand side, we've got the legend that corresponds to the color code of the surface temperature, but we don't leave it there. You literally have a selector tool that lets you pick on any particular pixel, whether in the body of the water itself or indeed on the adjacent rivers, where you can find in any pixel the surface water temperature. Let's clear that for a second. We also have features that let us look at any particular comparison points, dates for example. So we can turn on the dual maps feature. The default is that it's synchronized. We can tuck away the legend like we did before. In the left-hand window, we can pick an earlier date in the year. Let's say we want to look at June 12th. And on the right-hand side of the screen, we have the September date. Now, because they're synchronized, when I pick any particular point in the body of water or on the river itself, then the corresponding data set or the pixel with the temperature in Fahrenheit will be selected. We build ourselves a table, as you can see, tucked away very nicely. Any of the imagery, any of the analytics can be pushed out using either our web services, a full suite of APIs, into other software domains. Or you could simply say download, and now I've spit out the data which I wanted, which gives me the surface water temperature, the actual temperature itself, and the corresponding longitude and latitude into an Excel environment for reporting or other data manipulation. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, very easy to use. Thank you for watching this Satellites vignette. Don't forget to visit satellites.com for more information.